up everyone, it's Clarice and I love doing wedding crafts on my DIY channel. Little did I know I'd be planning my own when my boyfriend of 12 years proposed to me last July 2017. And now it's time to get planning. So join us on our journey as we prepare for this very special day. So we're in Bogota, we're in Colombia, and we're going to what's the place called?
Mori Lee Bridal.
Mori Lee, and we're gonna go dress shopping. Today's the first day of dress shopping, and we are in Colombia. We're with Dianati, that's Oscar's mother, and yeah, can't wait to see it.
What size?
I don't know. Small? You mean
no.
Dress size?
Number.
Oh, 2 or 4. I'm a size 2 or 4.
Okay, so you're in there.
Okay, where there's a lot.
Woo-hoo! Try on something like this.
Something crazy? Like what?
Well, no, like something mermaidy maybe.
Yeah.
Tú elige algo para que ella se prueba que tú quieras, mami. Esos ya. No, y aquí esta tallas no, mami. De 4 para allá, mami. Okay, my filming is sucking. Oh, this is the fun part, putting those lovely things on. They give you the proof. Oh my god. That is an absolutely stunning dress.
You like this? Oh my, really?
It is stunning. Glaze, that's so beautiful.
Oh, this is weird. This is weird, guys. I don't feel like.
How do you feel?
No? Did you like it? I don't know yet.
Yeah, this is shock.
Sí, exacto, está en shock.
You look so pretty.
I love the back.
I love it. Yeah, perfect. It's a bit big.
It's big.
That's pretty.
I like this one. This is cute. This one? Yeah.
I think it's pretty, but I don't like it as much as the other one at all. You know what? I just think it's seen it a lot of times.
Yeah, that's true. This one not too much. They say it's too simple. Like everybody has it, you know.
Mommy.
Oh, so beautiful.
That was very class. I feel like you have a dress similar.
Do I?
Why? You wore it in a cruise. This is beautiful. Your butt looks great. Comes down. This one poofs.
Yeah, I like the other one better. Long sleeves.
No. But again, because long sleeves meant to be like super form-fitting,
yeah,
and it's so loose. Maybe actually I don't know if I like sleeves.
I wanted long sleeves initially, but it's different because it's not to my size.
It's not too. Your favorite birds.
Oh, what?
Birds.
Feathers?
Feathers.
Love it.
It's really cute, actually.
It's just not different, you know? It's not. I don't know.
That's why I keep telling you, you look beautiful, but the one that gave me a wow factor was that one.
Yeah.
And I was talking to her, she said because no one is used to seeing a bride like that. Oh, we got her trying on 2 more. Everything looks beautiful, but we have a favorite. Do you have a favorite?
No, not yet.
Not yet. She hasn't said yes, ladies and gentlemen.
I don't know, I just haven't had the like, whoa, you know?
That's pretty.
That one's pretty. To be different. I still love the other one more, but I love the poofiness. He's trying on the last one here. Then we're gonna have a coffee break. We're gonna make some decisions. And these ladies are just chatting the whole time. Just chatting. That's beautiful. Do you see what I mean though? What you think you don't want is sometimes what suits you the most.
Do you nothing but some music? And I'm just practicing.
Cuando unen todo esto va a ser bonito. Es bonito. Salga todo lo que están diciendo y todo.
En la campana de los deseos, como te mencioné, ningún compromiso conmigo. La vas a coger con la mano derecha en la parte de arriba, no la vas a tocar aún. Me alegra mucho haberles acompañado en este proceso. Espero que lo hayan disfrutado. De parte del equipo Mori Lee, especialmente mío, te deseo muchas bendiciones a ti, a tu futuro esposo, que los llenen de amor, alegría, prosperidad, comprensión en esa etapa tan hermosa que van a entender bajo la bendición de Dios. Vas a cerrar los ojitos, cierra los ojitos y vas a pedir un deseo para los dos. Cuando esté lista, toca esa campana muy fuerte.
We saved the dress. We're gonna discuss it over lunch. Gotta tell my mother because she hasn't seen it yet.
Yes.
But yeah,